Hi guys, today topic is how to use TikTok. Okay, officials, you cannot ignore TikTok anymore. It's the seventh most social media platform in the world with 689 million global active users, and it's been downloading more than 2 billion times. This is not a part, it's a social media phenomenon, and it's time to get on board and finally find out who on earth Charlie Emilio is. If you are new to the video sharing platform, we got your covered. Classic just read on for everything you need to know about getting started with TikTok and honing your video editing. Choose table of contents. What is TikTok? How to set up a TikTok account? How to make a TikTok? How to use TikTok effects? Most popular TikTok editing features. How to navigate TikTok, how to change your TikTok username, how to find friends on TikTok, how to engage with other users on TikTok. What is TikTok? TikTok is a platform for short form mobile video. User can make videos that range between 5 seconds and 3 minutes long and use a massive musical library and fun effect to quickly edit together bite-sized digital films. If you want to know how to use TikTok, watch our digital video right here. But bind the fun of quickly shooting and editing video from your phone. What makes TikTok downright for so many people is discovering contact via TikTok finally turned algorithm. TikTok for you page, the app's home screen delivers and endless stream of video from other user and gets smarter and smarter about what you like as time goes on. Maybe even too smart as some user friend. It's like a personalized TV stations that caters to both your interest and our shorting attention spans. TikTok incredible hold on the Gen Z market has turned it into a marketing powerhouse. Songs go viral. I star Doja Cat start are born shoot out the edition Ray Wow pivoted a TikTok dance career into a sharing role in trends spread like wildfire. Remember when you could not find feta to save your life? Long story short, it's an excellent opportunity for brands to get in their and world some serious buzz. It important to note how central music and dancing are to the TikTok ecosystem. The app was born of a merger between. It also important to note that the app has faced its share of thanks to high-profile privacy and security concerns, but absolutely these issues haven't to stop it millions of users worldwide from the app. Here's how you can get in on the fun too. How to set up a TikTok account. Number one, download the TikTok app from the iOS App Store or Google Play. Number two, open the app. Number three, go to me. Number four, choose a method to sign up. You did it. Your TikTok now no take box. If you need help deciding what type of account to create, check out our guide to choosing between TikTok business and personal account. How to make a TikTok. Of course, a TikTok account is just a step in the journey towards total social media domination. You have to you now make some contact to look quickly. It's easy and fun. Number one, once your got account set up, tap at the button of the screen to enter create mode.